Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Purdue University. First, you have to open the Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section right over here, in the URL section, type login to Purdue University and enter it after you're done. And here we can see a lot of options we have, but we have to scroll a bit down and click on this option that says Purdue University IT. Click on that. And over here, there's a login to my Purdue. Click on this option as well, and you will be redirected to the another page where you have option to log in. So since it's loading, it will take a few minutes. And right here, we could see an interface seen in the screen. What you have to do is you have to type down your username of Purdue and your password as well. If you need help, if you have forgotten or lost access to the password or your username, click on this option if you need help, and then you'll be able to get help from the Purdue University assistant. So after that, click on this login option right over here, and then you'll be successfully logged in to your account if your account number and if your account username and your password is correct. So this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.